Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be installing some LED lights on the Forester. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with my projects. Got quite a few of them on the go. With that being said, let's get into it. Ooh, as you can tell, guys, it's pretty damn cold. It's 7 degrees Celsius. Alright, so got to move the skyline to get to the Forester. So what I want to actually do is jump in the Forester and show you how bad the lights are. Looks pretty much like I've got a couple of candles out front. Let's go jump in the Foz. Oh, alright boys, I'm sitting in the Foz. You can probably see in the background there, the garage. Just that little light there. It's going to be noisy, but there's my lights. They're just at the top of the number plate on the skyline. I'll try to park it back in the same spot and then we'll show you the after. Also guys, we've got a light out. So my street's pretty dark. I've only got 2 street lights in the whole street, and it's about 500 meters. So the cover fell off my top stoplight, so I'll put that back on too. But yeah, this is my light. My headlights, pretty bad. That's my high beam. Pretty bad. Right, let's head back to the garage and try to fit these new LEDs. Right guys, here are H4 LEDs from Lightfox. Them off eBay. Went for a bit cheaper, because I used to end a financial year discount code. Here they are, they're a bit bigger. Got all the cooling and everything in this back section, so it is a little bit bigger, I believe. So this one should be right, but I'm not too sure about this one. Yeah, see how we go. Let's do this one. It's pretty much just need to get this boot off the back here and disconnect it. Oh, there we go. It's off. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we might have a bit of a problem with the other side. There we go. The glob is out. This is the one that didn't work. So there's probably about a centimetre difference. There's probably a centimetre there. Alright. Guess I could get down, loosen that grub screw off, loosen that one off down there and just move it out of the way, get it fitted, and then put it back. Don't have much movement. Alright, so with these you can actually rotate the LED section. Alright, there's a little grub screw in there. You can rotate them depending on how the light is. So let's get it in. Pretty simple. Alright, so it's sitting in there, so I need to put that clip back on. Helps if I do that. Put this clip back on. Pinch, pinch. And we'll put the dust cover back on. It says top. Actually, that's on. Oh yeah, it's about a centimetre out. Oh, it's turn the lights on. So, I've got the LED one in this side, and that one has the halogen. I think it is. I think that's a halogen. Alright, I've been in there for a lifetime. See how it goes. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that looks better. And you can't see the Parkers anymore. Parkers are LEDs. They've been in there for quite some time. Oh, my music's playing. That's mint. So this type of technology wasn't around when I was looking for this type of stuff back in the day. I've had this Forester for 12 years now. I think 12 years. Quite some time. I did sell a GTIR to get this. And it was pretty much direct swap for somebody buying the Pulsar for $8,000 and this for $7,500. There's no manuals around at the time, and I needed it. I was doing PT, I needed the boot space. One of my biggest regrets, but I do love this. And I'm actually thinking about getting a GTIR again. They're getting expensive, but there is one that's for sale or for swaps, and it's a project car. It's not together. I was thinking maybe seeing if I could swap the Skyline for it. What are your thoughts? Anyway, something to think about. Let's try this side. Alright, just quickly try to get in there. Not going to work. So what I'm going to try to do is just take this out. We do have enough space. So I'm just going to unbolt it. I'll get this off. This actually can just pop out. Yeah. And yeah. I'll just pull this forward. Easy. So indicator is connected up here to the screw. So just got that out, pop that out, and this can come forward. So we've got 3 bolts here, here, and here. Three 10 mils. We'll bring it forward now and swap the globe bar. Easy. Alright, it is in. So you put the connector back on and get it back in. So it's probably going to be 1 or 2 mil away while it will be sitting on it, but we do have a bit of movement. That's why I couldn't get it off. It says push. Silly. And just the reverse to get back on. So I've got the 10 mil here, 10 mil here, and 10 mil there. Obviously, if you've got a stock engine bay, this big thing won't be in the way, but your battery might be. This might be easier. I believe that panel underneath, I know it attaches over here, so you'd have to take that off as well. But yeah, mine's all loose because I've had it off so many times. Get this bad boy on. Oh. Not too much. Do not want to break the plastic. It's 20 years old. Sweet. Get the indicator back in. I need some new rubber on that. So that just goes up and in. We get the screw. Too far. Screw in there. Get this back on. This is like a quick release one. Yeah, cable tie on there. And there we have it, grill back on. So we are just touching just the rubber. The plastic within the rubber is not touching. So, but that's all good. That one's dead. So yeah. Put it on again, see both of them nice and bright, and then we'll go out for another drive. Yeah, boy. Oh, so much better. So much better. Alright, set out for a drive. I'll probably end up leaving the Skyline in the backyard. So I want to do a couple of things to it while I'm driving the Forester around. But yeah, I'll try to get the same distance away from it, and you can see the... So I reckon from the gate to the back of the Skyline was about the distance that we had in the driveway. So when I'm reversing out, I'll show you. Alright, let's take her out. Alright, boys. We parkers on. Oh. Wow. Heaps better. Let's go for a drive. Wow, look at that. So much better. I'll put them back to back. Oh wow. In front of a darker road. That's awesome. Hopefully they're pointing alright. That's good. Yeah, this is my light. My headlights. Pretty bad. I'll put them back to back. That's my high beam. That's awesome. Alright boys, let me know about the interior lights now. The dash and the center console. I have changed these over to some other type of globe. That was good for a while. Yeah, like I said before, old technology. So some little Like T7s, I think. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know. Yeah. I'm really happy with these lights, guys. Pretty cheap upgrade for my little candles that were at the front there. Now I'm confident in driving at night time, so that means you'll see me out at cruises and stuff, forest at hangouts. It's good. Listen to those choo-choos. Once I get a quieter scavenger pump, maybe the video one, I'll get some more in engine bay. Very happy with these lights, guys. Very, very happy. So guys, if you like this episode and it helped you out in choosing some H4 LEDs for your car, leave it a like, and if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the post notification bell. Stay up to date with my little shenanigans here. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Bye.